A very bright and joyful morning to everyone. Let's make today's morning more joyful and brighter than ever with some interesting activities. Today, we are not going to read or write. Today, we are not going to study. Today, we are going to have some special discussion. We are going to have something special. Today, ma'am is going to give you some instructions, tell you a story, and most importantly, ma'am is going to tell you about yourself. And what you are going to do? You are going to listen to ma'am very carefully. Not only listening, try to understand it. Children, listening is very important skill. But why listening is very important? Because listening makes us smart and confident speaker. In today's SEL session, we will be focusing on self-awareness. Now, what is the meaning of self-awareness? Self-awareness means अपने आप को जानना. When I say self-awareness or अपने आप को जानना, it doesn't mean that I am talking about your name, your parents' name, your age, your school. No, these are all your personal details. When I am talking about self-awareness, I am talking about few things which are hidden within us and we are not aware of it. So what are these hidden things which we are not aware of it? Now let me give you an example. Take out your hands, keep it on your stomach and breathe in, breathe out with me. Once more. So what do you observe here, children? When we breathe in, breathe out, our stomach comes out, goes in, comes out, goes in. It's such a simple and small thing which we do at every moment of our life and which is so important. But we even don't realize it, we are doing it. We don't pay any attention to it. In the same way, there are so many other things in our life about which we are not aware of. What are those things? Those are our inner strength, means positive things within us. So, first I will play a video, watch it carefully, listen to it, then I will explain you the meaning of inner strength or what are the positive things which are hidden within us. Okay, so let's watch this video together.
Long, long ago, there was a mighty elephant in a jungle, but he was proud and did not care for others.
Ha ha ha! I am the mightiest animal in the entire jungle. Everyone is frightened of me. Oh dear! What is this? It's an ant. I was thinking how a laddu could move by itself.
Oh, elephant, if you have finished laughing, may I go on my way?
The whole jungle is scared of me. How come you are not scared?
Why should I be scared of you?
I am so tall. You are so tiny.
So?
If I just breathe hard, you will fly away to a far-off land.
Why will you do that? Do you like troubling others?
But everyone else is scared of me.
They are fools. I'm not. I have not done anything wrong. I don't need to be scared of anyone. Not even you.
This is not right. You have to be scared of me. Everyone has to be scared of me. See that? Your laddu is squashed to a pulp now.
Oh no! What did you do?
You will be next.
It took me half a day to get that food for my family. And you spoiled it. You are a very bad animal, elephant.
You only make me laugh.
You must be taught a lesson.
You will teach me a lesson. You. Hey, what are you doing?
Now I will show you.
Sorry, please forgive me.
Remember, elephant? All animals are equal, whether they are big or small. You cannot bully those who are smaller than you.
Sure, I have learnt my lesson.
So children, in this video, you have noticed that ant was very small as compared to the elephant, but she was well aware of her strength. She knew that she can taught a lesson to the elephant with the help of her intelligence. So what we have learned from the story, that everyone has his own strength. Like we all have some inner strength. And what is the important thing? We have to recognize that strength. So everyone has his own strength. And the second thing which we have learned from the story is that respect everyone. Respect everyone's strength. So this is the two things which we have learned from the story. So children, we all have some positive things within us. We all have some strength. What is important? It is important to know them, and most importantly, using them in a right way. Now I will give you some examples, right? Now, for example, some children are very good in reading. Suppose some children are very good in reading. So reading is their strength, positive thing. So how can they use that skill? How can they use that reading strength in a positive way? They can read stories with their friends, or they can teach other children. They can teach their friends reading, how to read so nicely. So this way they can use their reading skill in a right way. Another example. Some children have very good strength in their body. They have power in their body. So what can they do with their power, with their strength of the body? Should they bully others with their body, with the power of their body? Or should they fight with their siblings? No, this is not the right way. What is the right way? They can participate in some sports activities in which they can win prizes for themselves and for the school. So in this way, we can use our positive things. We can use our strength in a right way. Now, I will give you my example. I have a strength of, I have a positive thing which is there in me is I'm very good in singing. So how can I use my skill, my strength of singing in a positive way? Do you know what I do? I use my singing in my classroom teaching. When I teach children, I used to sing with them to make them understand things in a better way. Or what I do when I am very sad, when I become very sad, or I am very tired of so much of work. So what I do, I simply listen to music, sing my favorite songs, and what happens? I become happy. I become very relaxed. So in this way, the singing, which is positive thing within me, I use it in a right manner. So children, we all have some positive things within us which makes us special. So we need to recognize that. So I'm going to play another video for you. Let's see what is there. It's about I am special.
I am special because I am special because I am kind. I love to help. I am special because I like to draw. You make beautiful art, Bush Baby, says Happy Hippo. I am special because I am trustworthy. When I make a promise, I always keep it, says Sister Lion. I am special because I like to share. We can all play with my toys. I am special because I am helpful. I like to take care of my little brother. I am special because I am brave. I am not afraid to reach for what I want. I am special because I am caring. Happy Hippo looks sad. I will give her one of my books to cheer her up. I'm special because I'm funny. I am special because I am polite. I always say please and thank you. I'm special because I am a good friend. I listen to my friends. I am special because I like to dream big. I want to be president of La La Land when I grow up. I am special because I am gentle. I give my baby brother a soft kiss on the head to make sure he has sweet dreams. I am special because I am responsible. You can always count on me. I am special because I am smart. I love to learn and to go to school. We are all special. What makes you special? The end.
So children, these are the things, these are small positive things which makes us special. So you may also have any of these positive things within you. What you need to do? You need to discover them. You need to recognize them. You can be smart, you can be kind, helpful, polite, and gentle. So what do you need to do? You need to recognize these strengths. So what makes you special? This is the activity which we are going to do.
I am.
So it's fun time now. So now, what do you see on the computer screen? You see that there is a tracing of palm or hand. So this is what you are going to do. You have to take a piece of paper, white piece of paper, preferably A4 size pastel sheet. But if you don't have pastel sheet, it's okay. You can take any white sheet. What you need to do, you will put your hand on the paper and trace the outline of your hand. Then, with the help of your parents, you are going to cut it. So you will be having cutout of your palm or hand. Now next, what you are going to do? You are going to write I am in the center, in the middle of your hand. I am. Why you are writing here I am? Because here you are going to write about yourself. Now, what you are going to write? You are going to write 5 things about yourself which makes you special. Which are the positive things within you that you have to find out. But children, you are too small to find out the positive things which are there within you. What you need to do, you need to discuss it with your elders at home, with your parents. You need to ask them. They will help you knowing what are the positive things within you. And then you are going to write 5 positive things which are there within you here on the fingers. Okay, so I will show you some examples, but you are not going to copy them from here. You have to find out your own positive things. Okay, I'm just showing you the examples. For example, caring. Caring is a positive things. Kind, smart, polite, and brave. So these are some example of positive things which are there within us. But what you need to do, you need to find off your own positive things, your own strength by discussing with your parents or grandparents or your elder brother or sister. They will help you knowing your strength. Then you are going to write them on these fingers. After writing it, you can decorate this cutout with anything, any color or anything you want to use. You can decorate it. So after doing this, you have to keep it very safe. Why you have to keep it very safe? Because in our next SEL session, you have to keep it with you. Okay, because ma'am will be discussing, ma'am will be interacting with you regarding your inner strength, regarding your positive things. So you should be ready with your cutout for the next SEL session. Am I clear to you? Understood? So you can do it today or by tomorrow, or keep it safe. I'm telling you again, keep it safe because it will be using in your next SEL session. So children, I hope you like the session and learn to discover yourself, because when you discover yourself, you start loving yourself. So keep smiling, keep discovering and loving yourself. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.